Mansory is a luxury car modification firm based in Germany, known for customizing and tuning high-end vehicles from brands like Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bentley, and more. Here are some key aspects typically associated with Mansory cars. Exterior modifications. Mansory cars often feature aggressive body kits with aerodynamic enhancements, unique carbon fiber components, and distinctive paint schemes. These modifications can significantly alter the appearance of the original vehicle, giving it a more customized and sporty look. Interior customization. The interior of Mansory cars is typically upgraded with premium materials such as fine leather, alcantara, exotic woods, and carbon fiber trim. Customization options range from bespoke upholstery designs to personalized multimedia systems and lighting accents. Performance upgrades. Mansory is renowned for boosting the performance of already powerful vehicles. This includes engine tuning, exhaust system enhancements, and sometimes even modifications to increase horsepower and torque figures, resulting in improved acceleration and top speed. Wheels and suspension. Mansory cars often come equipped with custom-designed lightweight alloy wheels, which not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetics but also improve handling and performance. Suspension systems may also be modified to offer a lower stance and improved dynamics.